All right, hey guys, I am going to show you how to make a transition from walking to running to sprinting. I'm gonna break this video down probably into about 3 parts, make them super short. You can kind of move through, pick whichever ones you want. But the first one that we're gonna do is just a basic walk to jog or walk to run, basically kind of the default Lyra movement. I'll show you how to break that down so you can separate it out to where if you don't press up too far on the controller, your character is going to walk. As you move full speed, you'll transition into running. Or conversely, if you start from a dead idle and you hit up on that joystick, move into a full movement, your character is going to start running right away. So you'll kind of have a smooth transition. The second part, what I will do is show you kind of how to add that sprinting ability. The third one is I'm going to show you how to create custom animations for those. First thing that we're going to do is going to use basically just the aim down sights animations. It's the easiest way to get it in there. In the third video, we'll show you how to add those custom animations. There are only 2 files that you're going to need to edit to do this. The first one is going to be your ABP item anim layers base. This is going to be under your content, characters, heroes, mannequin, animations, linked layers. Go ahead and open this one up. In here, we're going to have to do about 6 different things. The first one is you're going to want to create your own function. So you're going to go over here, add, type it in. I have, if you can see, the get walking, get sprinting. We're going to start with the get is walking. So like I said, I'm going to be pulling straight off the aim down sights. It's just the easiest way to get it up and running. We'll add some custom animations. We'll add linked layers on that to get rid of the aiming as you're walking. If you don't have any weapons equipped, it works perfectly, but we'll do that in one of the later videos. So this is how you're going to set it up. And right here, you're going to want to have an OR node on your aim down sights. From there, what you're going to do is if you have your movement speed, now I've played around with these variables quite a bit. You can kind of see I've got some of them over here that are not hooked in anymore just because I was doing some testing. Anything under about 350, I think, looks good with walking. I've seen a lot of people kind of do, I think the aim down sights is 300. I lowered it to about 301 just to kind of push it over that limit. Unfortunately, you can kind of get into this scenario where your character's kind of like half jogging. It looks a little wonky. I bumped it up to 350. I think it looks good. I will show you that once we actually get into the animations. Over here, what this does is this makes it so that if you go full up on the joystick, you go straight from an idle to a dead sprint. If you don't have this section in there, your character kind of does this little like where they walk fast, weird movement. It just looks all wonky. I set that to about 600. I think the max acceleration is 24, so it's about a quarter. I tried playing around with that, dividing it by half, taking the max speed, stuff like that, and I was getting some issues. So these are the values that I found that worked for me. Go ahead, play with those, see what you like. If something works better, do that yourself. So you're going to connect these into the AND because you want to be under the 350 and you want to be over the acceleration. That will make sure that if you go from a dead from a dead standstill to a sprint, you're going to transition straight into the run animation. You connect these in here like that. Now, this is your is walking function. If you add that now into, so there's 5 functions that you want to add that into. Your first one is going to be the set up start animation. So what you want to do is you want to take your function, you can just drag and drop right here. I'll show you. You got is walking, just drag and drop right here. And then you're going to plug that in place of the aim down sights. Now I've left that here because when I do some further videos, I will show you how to create the custom animations. So that way you don't get if you've got a pistol equipped, your character's going to be aiming if they're walking. I'll show you how to do that, but that'll be later. This is just to get everything up and running pretty quickly. So you're going to do that in the setup start animation. You're also going to want to do that in the update cycle. Again, same thing. The next one is the set up stop anim. Again, plug it right into where the aim down sights is. The fourth one, over here, this one's a little bit different. Again, just drag and drop. You're going to plug that in right to where the aim down sights is. The last one is the get desired pivot sequence. So replace all of those. I don't know if you saw this over here. I had some issues where just kind of based on the values that I was calculating, when I was walking backwards, for whatever reason, my character was doing this funny walk backwards. The next file that we're going to do is the input action movement. Now this file is under content, input actions, and it is the IA move. So it's your input action for move. So this gets your movement input on your joystick. Now, what I did is I lowered the threshold. The default threshold is 0.2, and the upper threshold is 1. Again, this is going to be completely up to you how you want to set this up, but I guess I don't know if I've got good joysticks on my gamepad or what, but I don't like the dead zone. It made it jump immediately into the sprinting too often, and when I was going full up on the joystick, he wasn't jumping into that full running. So that's why I've lowered this to 0.9, lowered the threshold to 0. Go ahead and experiment it, play with it how you guys want it, but let's go ahead and show you how this animation looks. I will load up into Lyra. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna use my keyboard. So I've got my mouse, I'm looking around, and I'm gonna run forward, stop, run backward. It works just like the Lyra animation should. Next up on the gamepad, I'm going to walk forward, full sprint, run backwards, run forwards, run backwards again, kind of move around, and you can see all of the animations work. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you next time.